Hey guys, a video on Klarna. Once again, it's been a while. We looked at this one during this IPO time. I tried to catch a low, but without having data, it's always very tricky, okay? Then like here I gave up and let it do its thing. I was going for maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside and then a move up, but no strength at all. SOFI then also moving down, so I let this one do its thing. And yeah, now to me price is looking interesting. Okay, why did I notice this? Because I follow SOFI more closely, and here it's the same sector. It has been very similar. Okay, on this one you can go back and watch the videos from here. We warned about this. Okay, we talked so many videos about, look, this is gonna go down, this is gonna go down, this is gonna go down. I know that people were sometimes like saying it will go up, blah, whatever, but it had to move down here, okay? And now, also with SOFI, I'm trying to get a low to form here or around here, okay? Meaning that a next leg or attempt to the upside is near or is already happening. With that, my thoughts went back to Klarna, looking at the chart now. First thing you can see is here there's a massive range, okay? Let's add the volume profile, and the point of control is, a good distance below where we are currently, okay? Point of control at 1395. As long as we stay above that, we can focus on higher. Now the second thing is we've had this move down very vertically, so there is like not really any ranges here. We are now breaking here, and then the next range is this, sitting at around $30, okay? So that's a 2x from where we are now. Yep, we do have some little ranges here. I can add the point of control of this range as a level to watch. So these point of controls are just the price level that has been traded at, like that the stock has traded at the most in those specific ranges, okay? We'll add this one as well. How do you determine a range? It's just visual and interpretation. Some might take it differently. I try to take it from the candle after price drops in the range. This I consider outside the range, and then here, somewhere here, this is where you exit the range and this is where you accelerate. So everything in here I consider the range. This one is at 30.54. Okay, so first of all, I think we have these levels. Then second of all, we made a higher high here for the first time. Okay, we had one here, a higher high, I mean higher low. We had one here, but then failed to make a higher high. Here we have a higher low, but then also a higher high, so that's nice to see. And then we're also taking and about to take this one, the previous swing. So here we tried to attack the previous swing, failed. Tried to attack the previous swing, failed. Okay, so this will also be a first structurally. I'll add this line like this in green, okay, at 1679. And then additionally, just this trend line here is not really important, but can act maybe as a level of support should price at some point come back to it, okay, because you have still got a lot of trend line traders. Then counting this move, I don't want to bother myself with it because it's still looking maybe 1 second. It's looking too much like a 3-wave move here and here, so I don't want to focus too much on the labeling and on the Elliott Wave count yet, okay? But to me, if we can get above this previous swing, which we probably will, looking at how strong this has been here and looking at the volume, RSI pushing now towards overbought on the daily chart, I'm leaning to at least try and push this stock towards this next point of control at 20.28, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. Also with then the backing of SOFI looking like it's either formed the low or is about to form the low. Okay, but we've talked about SOFI, and I'm just gonna combine these two stocks from now on, cover them together. We've said that SOFI here moved down on a lot of overlap on lower volume consistently with consistent bullish divergence on the daily. We wanted to take these lows. We did that with just a wick, but that's enough. And now it can try again. Up 3% pre-market. Here we have this point of control at 16.26. We want to try get above that first of all, and then yeah, we can focus on this range and maybe even this point of control. Also here, the local count, I need more data for it. The larger count is like this. Here also you can see it's very three-wavy structures here, which makes it a bit difficult sometimes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I'm going with. Now looking for this fifth wave to take the all-time high. Okay, of course this is just a guideline fib that I have here. We need to wait and see how the internal structure is gonna be. I expect it to be again a three-wave structure like we had in wave 1, like we had in wave 3. So ABC with internally 5-wave moves like we have indicated here inside this C wave and this A wave in yellow. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. Hope you liked the video, and I'll cover the two together from now on. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.